Porto, the town that gave the country and port wine its name, is the second largest city in Portugal. Sorry guys, that was my failed Rick Steve attempt. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie, your travel buddy. I visited Porto in early summer and was in love with this colorful and vibrant city. After 2 days of sightseeing and port wine tasting, we wanted to take a chill day, which meant no more walking 10 miles a day. So we decided to pay €80 for a cruise. So, is it worth it? And should you do it? In this video, I will give you my honest review of the Douro Valley river cruise from Porto to Pinhao. While the famous port wine bears Porto's name, it is actually produced in the beautiful Douro Valley. This tour is 12 hours long, including breakfast and lunch, a scenic cruise from Porto to Pinhao, port wine tasting, and the bus back to Porto. We had pastry, coffee, and orange juice for breakfast. I didn't have high expectations here because European breakfasts are somewhat dull. For lunch is a 3-course meal with red wine, orange juice, and water. Overall, the food was tasty, the service was fantastic, and the beautiful view elevated the whole experience. The cruise broadcasts the audio guide in 4 languages: English, Portuguese, Spanish, and French. When we passed by a historical landmark, it was pretty informative. The cool part of the ride was actually passing the dam. We passed by 3 dams. This is the canal lock system, and it was amusing seeing it in action. We started to get bored shortly after lunch, so I suggest bringing a book, board games, and snacks to keep you occupied. We arrived at the port of Pinhao at 5:30 p.m. After 8 hours of cruising, we hopped on the local bus that took us to the vineyard. About the wine tasting. The wine tasting and the vineyard tour was a strong selling point for us. That's why we decided to book it, but it was actually very disappointing. We got a quick 15 minutes tour of the vineyard, learned about the production process and the different types of port wines. Then we got to sample just one port wine. Don't take too long to enjoy your sample because you have just enough time to drink it, take some pictures, go to the bathroom, and rush back to the bus to head back to Porto. After cruising for 8 hours, we spent less than 45 minutes at the vineyard. Overall, I enjoyed the tour, but the cruise time was just too long. I was starving when we arrived in Porto at 9 p.m., so don't forget to bring some snack with you. So, is it worth it? If your objective is the cruise and the view, then perhaps this is for you. If you want to learn more about the birthplace of port wine, I recommend taking the train to Pinhao, checking out as many vineyards as you wish, and indulging in local cuisine. And to be honest with you, I would take the later option. What do you guys think about the video? Comment down below and let me know if you have done this tour before or if you're planning on taking it. If you like this video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.